Hello, I'm Attorney Greg Camp. Welcome to my informational video series, where I will discuss the Florida statutes and your rights under the law.
Defending accusations of rape and other sex crimes in Florida. When addressing sex crimes and their consequences in the state of Florida, it is most important to establish what is actually illegal according to Florida law. In the state of Florida, the term rape is not actually used in statutes related to sex offenses. Instead, Florida uses terms as sexual battery and lewd and lascivious conduct to describe a variety of sex-related offenses. Florida Statute 794.011 defines sexual battery as oral, anal, or vaginal penetration by or in union with the sexual organ of another, or the anal or vaginal penetration by any other object. However, sexual battery does not include an act done for a bona fide medical purpose. Lewd or lascivious offenses are defined as those acts in which a perpetrator engaged in some form of sexual activity with the victim, but in which the activity fell short of meeting the definition of sexual battery. Both sexual battery and lewd and lascivious conduct are felonies in the state of Florida and can be charges ranging from a third-degree felony up to a capital felony. The severity level of the offense will depend upon several factors, including, but not limited to, age of the perpetrator, age of the victim, whether force was used, whether the victim was injured, the relationship between the perpetrator and the victim. Some potential defenses for a sex crime charge in the state of Florida can be consent to sex by the alleged victim. This cannot be used if the victim is younger than the age of 18 in Florida. Actual innocence or mistaken identity if, in fact, you have been wrongly accused. Tainted evidence or illegal search and seizure in cases where evidence gathered by police may have been obtained illegally and/or has been compromised by improper chain of evidence procedures. The motivation of the victim can be brought into question. This is not a defense wherein the victim is being blamed, but instead brings attention to the reasons why the allegations of a sex crime were made in the first place. To learn more about the laws governing sex crimes, your rights, and potential defenses against a charge of this nature, be sure to contact Greg S. Camp, PA, at 863-646-3135, or visit us on the web at gregcamp.com for immediate assistance.
Thank you for your interest in our informational videos. And if you need an attorney, call me or visit gregcamp.com for the immediate, aggressive legal representation that you need.